Here, we can discuss how to typeset display equations using LaTeX. Display equations can be mainly classified into two parts. The first one is single-line display equations and the second one is multiple-line display equations. Both parts can be again split into two as per equation numbering. The first part is unnumbered equations and the second part is numbered equations in single or multiple lines. Let us first familiar with the syntaxes for typesetting display equations in LaTeX. Here, you can see the first part, the single-line display equations. The unnumbered single-line display equations can be coded in three ways. The first one is beginning and ending symbols as double dollars. The second one is opening and closing square brackets with backslash. And the last one is begin displayMath and end displayMath. All the three syntaxes will produce the same output. We must code the math content inside the syntax. The second part, numbered equation in a single line. There is an environment. Equation is present in LaTeX for typesetting single-lined numbered display equations. Here comes our second part, multiple-line display equations. There are a lot of math environments present in LaTeX for typesetting multiple-line display equations. These are some of the popular math environments in LaTeX. The first one is eqnarray. The second one is align. The third one is align@. The fourth one is FL-align. And more environments are there. The last three environments are defined inside the package AMSmath. So we need to load /use package AMSmath in preamble. There is one item remaining, the unnumbered scheme. Numbered display equation can be simply changed to unnumbered by adding an asterisk symbol inside the environment name. As equation star, eqnarray star, align star and so on. Now, we can typeset some display equations in TeXFolioLite interface. Here, you can see, TeXFolio class file is loaded inside the command/document class, with a for paper option. Here, a simple inline math is coded inside dollars. Now, we can typeset some display equations as we discussed before. Now, I am going to typeset an unnumbered display equation, in a single line. Use double dollars, opening and closing. Then add the equation content inside the syntax. A equals B plus C. We can now generate the PDF output. You can see the difference between inline math and display math in PDF view. Try yourself with the remaining two syntaxes for single-lined unnumbered display equations. Now, we can go to the second part, numbered equation in a single line using equation environment. I am going to add the same equation. Begin, equation, A, equals, B, plus, C, end, equation. While generating PDF, you can see, the first line is unnumbered equation, in a single line and the second line is a numbered equation. By default, the equation counter will be print inside parenthesis at the right end. Moving on to the next item, multiple line display equations. First, I am choosing eqnarray environment for typesetting two numbered equations. Begin, eqnarray. Opening and closing parenthesis. A plus B raised to 2 equals A raised to 2 plus 2A B plus B raised to 2. Then the breaking command, double backslash for ending the first equation. Now the second equation. Opening and closing parenthesis. A plus B. Again opening and closing parenthesis A minus B equals A raised to 2 minus B raised to 2 end eqnarray. There is a change for multiple line display equations. We must add the alignment character as per our wish. Here, I am going to align the two equal signs, so add ampersand symbol just before and after equals symbol. As you can see, the LHS and RHS are separated with the alignment character ampersand symbol. While generating PDF, you can see the perfection of alignment. The maximum number of ampersand which can be used in eqnarray environment is 2. In the case of left align, place the ampersand symbol at the beginning of 2 lines instead of around, equal sign. Begin, eqnarray. Adding the same equation, then placing double, ampersand symbol at the beginning of 2 lines. End, eqnarray. We can check one more, with the align environment. Here, we can typeset, multiple lined, single, equation. For align, use only one ampersand just before equal sign. Begin, align, f, of, x, ampersand, equals, 1, plus, x raised to 3 plus x raised to 5. Since this is a single equation with 3 lines, so we can add \nonumber just before the breaking command for suppressing the counter. \nonumber and the breaking command. The second line, ampersand equals 1 plus x raised to 3 plus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 7 plus x raised to 9. Then, the breaking command with nonumber. To move the plus symbol slightly from equals sign, we can add the spacing command, \quad. So, ampersand, /quad, plus, x, raised to, 11, plus, x, raised to, 13, end, align. Now we can generate the PDF output. This is the difference between eqnarray and align environments. Here you can see, TeX will add equation counters sequentially, inside parenthesis. That's all about display equations.